when to, and how. If learning competencies have na siya, ano makato pa man yung ulo daw, pamagita mo, lusan pamagita mo daw. Diba? Let us unpack according to the context of the learners. But, when we unpack, we have to mag-unpack na nita, design down. Narahan. Nakabati naman ang yung design down? Wala pa. Okay. The steps in unpacking of those is revisit the content and performance standards in the curriculum guide. Of course. Check the curriculum guide. Basahan na Jubi. Then understand grade level specific. Mga bata. Ikapila ba ko ka hagdan mulusan? Diba? Kayo ka na unpack one step below. 2 steps below. Depende lang sa concept class remembering. Kung wag gihapon ingat to nag-explain. Learning competency falls under analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Kana ra jud tulo ha. Ayaw rin taon mo pag-unpack sa remembering. Ginoo ko. Discrete sub-skills or knowledge components. Do not go beyond sige, dari na to. Okay, ano man ang assessment ka na formative o
summative.
Sige daw, sa man ang formative grade.
After an lesson. After lesson.
Topic, unit, sa pa na content. Maro naman din, laktaw-taw. Direta, okay naman no? Bitaw God, klaro na formative, summative. Kasi meron ka, kung sa may mong gibuhat din ha, nag-serve si IS. Ano po sir, summative pa sir. Nag-sulis, nag-summative.
Formative.
Diba? Ang summative, graded and recorded. Pero kay wise po si teacher, ang tulo ka formative. Summative. Ay God, so lesson planning na ta. Okay, nasupo ang musunod din. Gunag-ipuran ko din ha. Okay naman kata sa this is very important. Ha? Lesson planning, how does the lesson present alignment of curriculum teaching and assessment? Align ka ang ato ang learning competency, ang ato ang assessment. Okay. Lesson plan detailed, kung sa inyo gamit, DLB or lab. Wala po usa-usahon. Okay, we can use DepEd order number 42, number 14 in writing our lesson plan. Kining number 42, mauna siya ang objective. Pila ka parts sa lesson plan? Pila ka parts?
1 to 5.
Pila man yun ang sa original? 5 yun. Natay 5. Sa mano, ang objective, then subject matter, procedures, assessment, and assignment. Nadugangan lagi na siya sa remarks, ha?
Remarks, reflection.
Ayaw ginagaling ni appeal yun na sa remarks and reflection. Again, in writing a lesson plan, we have the full freedom on what methodology, on what strategy we are going to use. Elementary teachers, you can also use the 7 E's. Are you familiar with 5 E's I'm talking about? And the 7 E's? May unsa man to ang 5 E's be? Engage, formative assessment. Ha? We need to make an assessment pa kay procedure lang ni siya ang 5 E's and 7 E's. Ang 7 E's naa siya elicit, then engage, and so on. Nga, naana po siya extend. Ang assignment niya, extend. Okay? Yara. Ako nila yung ingon-ingon ani kay agoy ni kabasa naman siguro mo diin sa Yara. Sa lesson exemplar format,
Rating primarily. Illicit.
okay. Sa lesson exemplar format, activating prior knowledge ng kabutang. And it's good for illicit. Prior knowledge, taas-taas lang na illicit. True. Diba? 7 is money. 7 is money. Okay. Engage, establishing lesson purpose. Okay, engagement of activities. Murang presentation, motivation. Diba? Motivation and presentation. Then explore, developing and deepening understanding. Na makita din nato sa tuang-tuan, exemplar explicitation. And the work, the work activities of the learners. Explore na mga area. Kanang mga groupings na sila. Na mga activity cards gamiton, that is explore. Then, making generalization, explain after their activity, reporting, and then the teacher process the output of the learners, and then discussion, correcting misconceptions. So, explain. Then, evaluate. Okay, evaluating learning. Okay, ang evaluate diri, this could be happen before, during, and after, or any part of that activity in the procedure. Pwede mo sod ang evaluate. Kana lang magutana mo. Follow-up question after their activity. You are already evaluating. Do you agree? Okay. Then the next 10, mo na siya ang homework, assignment na siya, or additional activities. Okay. Then ayaw yung kalimot sa teacher remarks. Unsay pwedeng masuwat sa teacher remarks? Relevant observation. Critical incident of the learners. Then learning outcomes. Mo na tong mastered 10. Not mastered. 3 lang kay aron di na balik-balik. Diba? Mo na siyang part. Then task will be continued. Why nag-ingon sa inyo o inyong school aid, mangita sa inyo lesson plan pagkasi kandi bisag mo man ang first day. Ay man ang imong of course na tayo lesson plan. Pero you don't need to makita dito unya, pakita na ko ha. Dili ka maghimog lesson plan kada adlaw maula gihapon ang learning competency. Wa pa mahuman maghimo na pud diri na puloy na ingon ana. No. Galit mahuman maghimo na pud lain nagtagbuon ganita sa unang competency to ano po. Ginoo ko reflection.